Right then, we're off to the car meeting. Last one of the year. Give it a quick wash. There it is. Most reliable car I own, this is. Well, that one and that one. And actually, these are all out in the driveway because they're the ones we use. They are the most reliable. And most reliable motorbike. Unlike that one over there. No. Oh well. Frog Eye Sprint, look at that. What's the Healy Sprite? That's a great looking thing. I do like those. This is here every week. Stunning car it is. I've got two this week. You don't see two Datsuns very often. Are they 260Zs, 280s? That's a 240. That's a 260. I don't know what the difference is. Maybe it's an engine size. Could be age, I don't know. That one looks nicer, so I think I'll prefer this one. Both pretty cool cars, though. I had a few of these. Rear-wheel drive Audi. That's nice. On Dunlop SPs as well. SP looking tyres. Love this one. Anthony's one. I'll end up with it one day, I'm sure. Another little beauty. Probably better this one. Morning. Very well, yourself?
Thank you. Friday. Is better?
It's not yours, is it? That
No,
one?
that's a lighter blue
colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Again, there's some I haven't seen before.
Yeah.
There's 240 and a 260s here.
Yeah. What about the flipping?
Oh, I haven't seen that
Yeah.
yet. Oh, what is it?
It's a Skyline,
Proper old one.
but it's a straight 6.3 litre in it.
Brilliant.
Sounds properly medicine.
I'll get that. I love those.
Yeah.
This is his. This is Pat's. Pretty thing that is. Not been out this one yet. Clean though. Beautiful old Falcon. Nice Mustang too. What, that'd be a 66? 65? Don't know. Another one.
Yeah. So everything about the car was originally apart from the engine. So we just couldn't get the engine.
Green courgette. Didn't plant any this year.
We went to a van.
Where's Mummy go? Dad?
That's a reaction. My crack. And when they made the mold,
Then you lower it be underground.
line.
That is low, isn't it? Oh, that's nice. Not seen that before. What is it? fully hunted interior. That's pretty cool. Great patina on that. All lacquered up. Is it lacquer? I think it's lacquer on it. Mercury. Entree. I'm completely dyslexic. I've no idea what it says. But it's massive and I like it. Dave Skip. No fridges, no fires. Sierra. Another Healy. That's when the distributor cap broke on the other week. Glued it back together again. Made it home though. Oh, look at Humvee. God, I've been one of those for a long time. Big old things. I've not seen that before. A whopper, isn't it? There's loads of military stuff. Fantastic. Must get one of these, but they're really expensive. Never go down in price, I guess, though. Brilliant. Oh, look at that. Military bus. I've never seen that before either. That's brilliant. Is it close to it being painted orange? Left-hand drive. Jesus, look at that tow bar. My God. What's that connected to? I mean, that's on the engine, I know. It's on the bit the engine connects to. Whew. Peugeot. It's a beastie. An MG. Let's have a look at the skyline there. That's pretty rare. Brilliant. Look at that. That's a bit like the Bluesmobile from the front. It's with Dodge Monaco. But it is a Japanese thing. Gloriously original. Whopper. Nice bit of patina. All lacquered up there. But it's got an interesting engine, but it makes a good noise. Marcos.
How many miles have you done?
Just walked up 13.
It's not sold yet. Light Robin engined. It's a whopper. Look at that. Brand spanking new looking Land Rover. Look this good coming out of the factory. That is brand new looking. Worth an absolute mint, I bet.
Do you know the weird thing is, I'm selling this for, so I sold this last year, the first car.
Ever so comfy, aren't they? Wow, look at that Mini, that's really good. Pumped up high as well, as they should be. Damn near concourse, I'd say, but it isn't in. I think it is concourse. Is this the temptation to skid across the bonnet? Put my moped in the back this time. Love this one. Look at that roof. It's a brave move to have that in it. Probably might be factory though. Cracking car. Loads of paint on that. Looks really good.
What I love is, look at this. This is all the same colour as mine. You imagine them like in traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got these guys chilling out in luxury.
Charlie!
Man, how are we doing? Alright?
Wow, you look beautiful. Whose is this?
This is Mesh's.
This would have to be somebody you know, wouldn't it? Do they've got their collars turned up by any chance, wearing a polo shirt? I'd imagine so.
There is a 2A as well, which I've got less the outside. And 2 is...
4 weddings and a funeral.
On these, it was a 2.25 litre diesel. And it had overdrive, which just...
Like I say, to look at them, the block and everything is exactly the same.
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly
3
the
litre,
same.
look at that. What a beast.
It's a deceitful car, isn't
Toby.
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 I'll tell you what, I can't fucking see that. I went to go down there and I've been coming to say
I had to take his gearbox. I know, that's what I thought. Because then you can't get the clutch fork back in, can you?
What are you eating? Do you want anything?
Whatever.
How we doing? You in the marina?
no, seas breaks at the moment.
Oh, that's standard.
Waiting on parts.
Yeah? Do you want to push?
Well, it started first kick.
Yeah, of course it did.
Then he stopped till he saw me.
Yeah.
And that's where it went.
We've got a lawnmower looks like that and goes like that.
Yeah.
First go or nothing. This time I can feel it.
I've run out of puff.
Well, yeah, memory card.
Thank God I got a bloody...
Oh, I didn't.
It is time to go, isn't it? It's just teasing you.
Oh, God, where did that come from? Look at that. I like that. I've been exactly the same as that.
It's James.
It was in a swimming pool.
That one, isn't it?
Midsummer Murders. They're the best shaped Yanks, I think. Look at that. Fantastic. It really is. Every film you've ever seen, there it is. Best colour as well. Look at that. Oh, it's Starsky and Hutchmobile. They did have one of these at the beginning of Starsky and Hutch, didn't they?
Didn't Huggy Bear have?
I think Huggy Bear did have one. It wants to be a bronzy, goldy colour, doesn't it?
See, we're giving our age, mate.
Look at it. 1977. It's massive.
Literally what they all said.
5 litre, is it?
6.6.
Oh my God. That's brilliant. Where'd you get it from?
On you go. Ready?
So it's stolen then?
Yes.